the shivers. Whenever I'm thinking about you, just wanna leave and live without you.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Reviving Salvage. It's been a while, but I'm back now, and I'm finishing off this video that's been waiting for a while in my to-do list. So this was the final part of the Fiat 500 project. It was basically cleaning the car and getting it ready and getting it up for sale. It's more or less finished. It's just the little bits that make a massive difference to a car. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy this video, and fingers crossed now we'll get ourselves another project and finish off the Mini Cooper project as well. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you at the end for the finished results.
Tongue-tied midnight, you can say all that you want, but you and I were meant for this. You know, sometimes we hide behind this illusion that we're done. Oh, please see that you're wrong in this. I don't fall in love cause I'm here tonight. I don't wanna say it, but it just feels right. I think a pill just to pass the time. I wanna stay at the back of your mind. Wasting it over, and don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let us go. It's not too late. Just show little faith this time. You can't love. We should've never let this go. No, we were the catch on the summer nights, kids in the street that got it right. Every time I felt to let go, every time I felt to let go. Wasting it over, and don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let us go. It's not too late. Just show little faith this time. You can knock me down, but I'll find a way. She said you don't know. She said you don't know. If this is what you want, if you wanna go, I'll have to go and let it breathe. But I'll be waiting here, you see. I don't know if everything will be alright. Sometimes you gotta let go, 'cause I gotta let you go. I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. 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 I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time. Watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father, don't you let me go. City nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light. Like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight.
Safe to say, it needed cleaning. Good God, that's surprising, and it didn't look that dirty. Yeah. Okay guys, there she is, all finished. Looks pretty good, I gotta be honest, she's come out lovely. I've also done the number plate light as well now, so that's done. There's not a mark on her. Interior's nice and clean. going to try my luck on this one, guys. I'm going to put it up for 2795 and see if I get any takers on that and see how we get on. I think that's a reasonably good price for it, and hopefully I should have a nice little bit of profit in it, but I'll go through the numbers in another video once it sells. I think that's something that you guys would be interested in. Hopefully this won't be around long. Don't forget, now 41,000 miles, full service history. The only thing I haven't done is service it. I could change the oil and that, but normally what people tend to do now, I've noticed, is when you sell a car, they tend to do the service themselves, take it to a garage and have a service. So unless they request for me to do it, then I'm not going to bother on this one and let them crack on. It's up to them if they want me to do it. I'll quite happily do it for them. It's got nearly a full year's MOT. I think it's MOT from January. It should be a nice quick seller, guys. So if you like the content, like the videos, and hopefully once this goes we'll get a new project. So don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss an upload and future projects coming to the channel, guys. We're still working on this Mini. I got to take the power steering pump out, and I've also got an issue with the wheel alignment we got to sort out. Apart from that, this car will be done as well. So there'll be another video on this. This is the last one on that. I will see you soon, hopefully with an update or a new project, guys. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.